checkpoint 12.2.5, what is the output of the following code? And then there's a second question. So this is actually topic on exception handling. Okay, clearly we can see here try and then catch. So look at here, int value is 30, and then here 30 less than 40. That is, so here's going to be a exception. Basically, it's going to print catch. The value is too small. I mean, it's going to throw value is too small. Then no catch because there are no exceptions. Then going to be here in line number 28. So continue after catch block. So two things will be printed on screen. Okay, here value is too small, and the last one continue after. Okay, no matter what, try and catch. Second question, what if we change to 50? Okay, 50 is less than 40. That's not true. So doesn't meet that conditions. So we are going to be here. Okay, no exceptions happens. Okay, so in this example, we are never going to reach this catch phrase. So second question, we are going to have this output. Okay, continue after the catch block. Okay, that's it. Thank you.